Okay, for today's repair job I've got a couple of these clothes horse drying frames. Quite popular in France, most people have them, but the problem with them is the wheels are a bit flimsy. This one's just held on with a nylon peg. You see the problem with them there, they just snap off. So what I'm going to do is make a replacement wheel block and pop these old ones out and screw it into the block. This one has a slightly different style. The wheels have been taken off this one already because they were completely broken. But these corner pieces pop off. Hello Susan, you're going to help. Yes. So I'll take the corner piece off and attach it to a separate block with new wheels on it. You see the state of the wheels off the tall frame there, they just smash to pieces and they act like little anchors trying to move the thing around. And the smaller one, the wheels stay in one piece, but the little plastic things that hold them in are the things that tend to go on those ones. So what I'll be doing is making a block like this. It's just basically a couple of old shelf supports, a piece of 5 centimetre square standard wood, a bit of 2x2, and some these little caster wheels, which were I think €2 for a pack. So I'll fix these devices with those for a quick and simple if inelegant repair. First of all, I chopped off 8 pieces of this 2x2 or 5 centimetre square wood and just filed the rough edges off them. I'm going to attach a caster to one end and a couple of these shelf supports to the other, matching the width of the bar, and then screw it in. That'll keep it nice and sturdy. So first thing, just using some old screws which I had lying around. I'll just measure that against the bar. It's a nice snug fit. Little piece snapped off, it doesn't really matter. Turn it upside down and just attach one of the wheels. That may be a bit more fiddly, so I'll clamp that into this workbench. And that's it. That just will get screwed through the hole where the old wheel went. It'll be a nice sturdy support for it. There we go, a set of 4 replacement wheels. Take the old ones out. 2 of them have fallen off already. It doesn't like that one, probably because it's got a knot in the middle of it. It's not brilliant, it's not pretty, but it's got it working again. And this one's slightly different because these feet just pop off. So for this one I'm just going to attach the wooden block directly to the base with a couple of screws. And that's drilled a couple of holes in to secure it to the base. screwdriver doesn't fit so well in the back one, so I'm just tightening it by hand. Shadow cat has arrived. The pieces with knots in are a bit tougher, so I'm just going to drill a pilot hole for the screws. Okay, the next step is to attach the casters. Okay, I've turned it upside down to make it easy to snap one on. That's it. So it's not pretty, but it does the job. That's 2 drying frames repaired for less than a £5.